Hello there guys, it's JK at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Suzuki SV650. So it's the 2024 74 plate with just 1,497 miles on it. And as you see, lovely looking thing, finished in this gorgeous satin black. It is an absolute gorgeous looking thing. R&G frame protection, you've got Evotech radiator guards on there as well. Obviously, being the SV650, it can be restricted down to an A2 if needs be. Digital display, nice and simple. It's not chucking loads of information at you that you need. And it is just all around a very, very nice bike. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.